Welcome back, students. Ms. Dixon and I would like to share with you how we would like to have you set up your notebook when you're going to be taking notes, either from a video or from a lecture that we're doing, or even from the textbook. What we would like you to do first is on the page that you're going to do your notes, you are going to just set up the actual outline. It's going to look like a big kind of sideways capital H. The way that we do it is you want to go about 2 spaces down from the top line and then just simply draw a horizontal line across. Then you're going to go maybe about 5 spaces up, depending on if you have wide lined or narrow lined notebook paper. So 4 or 5 spaces up, and then you're going to draw also another horizontal line straight across. Okay? Then you're going to connect the 2 lines that you drew by drawing a line parallel with this pinkish red line, just out a little bit. You don't want to draw right on the line because then you won't have enough room to write there, but come out just a little bit and then just draw a straight line down. Now, you might be wondering, how in the world does she draw those lines that straight? The trick to it is, if I'm starting up here and I put my eye down there, then my pen will go right down to where my eye is. So that's kind of a trick that you can play with and use. Now you have your paper set up, so it is Cornell Notes style. And what I require from my students is up in the top hand corner, you're going to put your name, first name and last name. And then you're going to put the date. And then you put the period. So I'm just going to pretend I'm in period 1. Okay. This top line here, that we didn't draw a line under, but that is where you would put your title. And then we leave about 2 or 3 lines here for either your essential question or your learning goal. And my abbreviation for essential question is EQ with a circle around it. And that's where we would write out our essential question. And then you're going to label this column on the side here, questions. And then this big column here is going to be called notes. All right, so far we have our name and date and period, just in case this page falls out of our notebook. We have our title of the lesson up here, and we have space for an essential question here. We have a questions column, and we have a big notes area. Then the final thing we need to do to get the page set up is go to the bottom, and then this bottom section here is going to be labeled summary. And this is where you're going to write the summary of the notes on your page here. We're going to be going over lots of other information throughout the next couple weeks on why we have essential questions, how to come up with questions for this column here, ways that you can write notes in an easier fashion than just writing every single word down that you either read or hear, because that would be pretty much impossible. And then how to write great summaries. Another quick thing I just want to show you really quick. So say you're watching a video, right? And you're doing notes and you're taking all these notes and you get to the bottom here, oh no, I need a new page, right? Well, you just can turn the page and then really easily you can make a new template. You don't have to write in questions and notes and title and all that stuff when you have to just turn real quick. All you have to do is just go a few lines down, draw a line over, go a few lines up, draw a line over, and then connect those 2 just a little bit a ways from that red or pink line. Then you have your outline really quick, and then you can just start taking notes again. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll be back for more soon.